I took some training from Odie, and they said primer must be used to create a solvent weld on PVC and CPVC pipes. When you cut your pipe, cut it square so the entire end of the pipe makes contact with the fitting for the strongest bond. Deburr the inside of the pipe for smoother water flow and to help prevent clogs on drain pipe. Deburr and chamfer the outside of the pipe, which means put a slight angle on the outside edge of the pipe. This helps the pipe slide into the fitting without pulling off the cement, which could lead to a leak. Apply primer on the inside of the fitting, then around the outside of the pipe, then apply a second coat of primer on the inside of the fitting. Hold the fitting so excess primer runs out, or place the fitting down so the primer doesn't pool on the inside of the fitting, which could weaken the bond. Immediately or within 5 minutes, put PVC cement on the outside of the pipe, then on the inside of the fitting, then put a second coat of cement on the outside of the pipe. Don't allow the cement to pool in the fitting. Immediately push the pipe fully into the fitting and give it a quarter turn to ensure that the cement is evenly spread. Hold it for at least 30 seconds, then wipe off the excess cement. Allow 1.5 to 3 inch pipe to cure for about 30 minutes. Allow pipe smaller than 1.5 inches to cure for about 15 minutes.